today at Couture Fashion Week. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Či by si mohla trošku povedať o dnešnej prezentácii?
Dnešná prezentácia, môžem po slovensky? Naša kolekcia bola inšpirovaná operou a umením. To sa prejavilo v našich modeloch. Každý model predstavoval nejakú opernú postavu, ako vidíte. Napríklad Carmen. Naše modely boli zdobené drahými kameňmi. Tuto napríklad sú použité tisícky korálov, pravých korálov morských. Ďalej iná Toska mala použité polodrahokamy a perly. Kráľovná noci, ktorú reprezentovala naša Miss Universe, mala šaty zdobené onyxami, takže to bolo také top na našich šatách.
So this collection was inspired by opera because Martina is an opera singer, and every dress was inspired by a specific female heroine from an opera. And every dress was made with beautiful stones or diamonds. Like for instance, this is Carmen. It's made with thousands of corals. We also had here the Miss Universe of Slovakia, and whose dress was made with onyx. So every dress really took a long time to make. It was handmade, and she's just very happy that it was a successful show.
So how long have you been singing opera, and what got you into it?
I think all my life. Ale profesionálne sa opere venujem, to je veľa rokov. 25 rokov.
And she's been singing all her life, but professionally she's been singing for 25 years.
Wow, impressive. So how was your experience today at Couture Fashion Week?
Aká bola tvoja spevácka skúsenosť dneska?
Bol to pre mňa úžasný zážitok. Videla som reakciu ľudí, lebo sa im to páčilo, boli oslovení, lebo som spievala zo srdca, tak tie srdiečka som aj cítila a to je pre mňa najväčšia podsta a najväčšia vďaka všetkým.
She could tell that the audience was very moved by her singing, and she really appreciates when she has a chance to sing for people who appreciate music and when she sees them being touched by her singing.
So how long have you been a fashion designer?
Ako dlho si fashion designerkou?
Necelý rok.
It's been a little less than a year. That her and her husband had this company.
Toto je vlastne naša prvá prehliadka v takomto veľkom leveli, vysokom leveli.
This is their first fashion show at this level.
So what's your favorite part about creating designs?
Čo je pre teba tá najlepšia časť kreatívnej spolupráce, ako keď pripravuješ dizajnéry?
Moja kreatívna?
Ktorá časť toho procesu?
Tie nápady, ktoré mi prichádzajú v tých najnevhodnejších chvíľach.
The ideas that come to her head in the most inappropriate moments.
A preto si to veľmi dobre pamätám, každý jeden model, kedy vznikol.
And because they happen in the most inappropriate moments, she remembers them the most. Yes.
Well, thank you so much for talking to me today. From the red carpet at Couture Fashion Week, I'm Samantha Morton.